In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the aspect ratio of any video in Magnific AI Mobile. If you're repurposing footage for different platforms, changing the frame shape, also called the aspect ratio, is essential. Here's how to do it cleanly without stretching or losing important details. Start by opening the Magnific AI Mobile app. From the bottom navigation bar, tap Work. This is your dashboard for all projects and generations. Find the video or project you want to adjust and open it to view its details. Next, tap Use, then choose Recreate. Recreate makes a new version based on the original settings so you can tweak things safely while keeping your source intact. Now, tap the settings icon to reveal all the configurable options. Look for aspect ratio. You'll see common presets like 16, 9 for widescreen, 9:16 for vertical stories and reels, 1 for square, and 5 for portrait posts. Select the one that matches where you'll publish. If your subject is close to the edges, consider choosing a ratio that preserves headroom and key action. Tighter ratios can crop the sides. Magnific AI will handle the framing based on your choice, but it helps to think about the final viewing experience. When you're ready, tap Generate. Processing can take a little while depending on video length and server load, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. You can navigate back to the Work tab to monitor progress. Once the new item appears, open it to view the output and confirm the aspect ratio looks right. That's the full workflow. Work to locate your project, use and recreate to spin up an editable copy, settings to set the aspect ratio, and generate to produce the final version. With this approach, you'll quickly deliver platform-perfect versions of the same video without manual cropping or guesswork. Thanks for watching and happy editing.